Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in English 127. We are in home, our bulletin board, and what do we have on our bulletin board? Let's survey it. We have Canvas Help up here. The 24/7 helpline is right here. Press 1 for students if you need help. And we have the Canvas student guide. Scrolling down, we have the week 12 note from Nunu, which you are watching and listening to now. And then we have our creative writing motif of the window. And it's especially appropriate because what you write is a window into other lives. And this week, in week 12 in modules, April 22nd through the 28th, you're going to write Flash Fiction 2. And this is a link to modules to that assignment. So this is our work for this week. Okay, I'm scrolling up and I'm going to go into the syllabus and click on Instructor and Course Information. And I have a number of ways to contact me here. And I wanted to show you that I am on Skype during my office hours on Mondays and Wednesdays from 12 to 2 p.m. You can reach me via Skype through my name, Nuala Linka, or this phone number. And if you have not used Skype before, then download Skype at this URL and then contact me at Nuala Linka or dial this number. And we can video conference face-to-face. Here is a video how to do conference call using Skype, which will also instruct you. But Skype is fairly easy to download, and it's a lot of fun when we can video conference face-to-face if you need to talk to me. Okay, I'm scrolling up. I'm going to click back on home to our bulletin board. What it is we're doing this week in week 12 in modules, which is Flash Fiction 2. And this will be a very real treat for me as I enjoy reading your writing. Okay, so remember, I'm here in inbox. If you have any questions or concerns, or you want to discuss a story with me, I'm right here. All right, let's have a good week.